Welcome to the Collage Center. We're going to go over the rules and expectations at the Collage Center along with the things you will find here. The Collage Center is located right next to the door that you come in when you come into the art room and you sit down on the carpet or go to your table. The Collage Center is right there. It also includes a small blue cart on wheels at the edge of this table. When you're using collage, this might be a good table to sit at if this is your center of choice. But if there's not enough room, you're welcome to move around the art room and find a better place. The Collage Center makes a lot of mess, so if you ever need to sweep up small scraps of paper, we have some cleanup sweepers that you are welcome to sweep items into the little tray and then throw that mess into the garbage can and then return the sweepers back to their home. Remember, everything in the art room has a home. I say this all the time because it's true. Everything has a spot. If you're ever looking for inspiration at the Collage Center, there are at least 5 of the many, many collage artists' examples right here that you can take a look at. Lots of different types of collage with lots of different types of materials. These are just photographs, but a way to get some inspiration if you're interested. At the top, we have some fabric scraps, both some cotton fabric scraps and some felt. There is one paper crimper. The paper crimper, we can talk about how to use it. Let me just tell you though that one paper can go in it at a time. That's it, one paper. Do not try to stuff things in it. It will break and then we will have 0 paper crimpers. So please make sure you're safe with that. This is a place you can find paper punchers, masking tape or regular tape. See, everything has a label and a home. There are shape punchers. These get returned back to this box when you are done. They are here where you put a little paper into that little mouth there. You can see my hand through that little slit. You put one piece of paper in that and press down securely. When you lift it back up, you should have punched a shape from that little machine. If you put too much paper in here or do not have the little piece of paper come out at the bottom, you can jam it and it can get stuck. So be careful. If it does get stuck, please just let Mrs. Miller know and I will help. We've got our decorative zigzag scissors, all different kinds of shapes that these will cut. It will show you the design on the side. You can see right there. This one makes some wavy lines when you cut with it. This one makes kind of a cool half circle triangle kind of shape. But if you are looking for just cutting regular paper in all kinds of shapes that you get to decide, regular scissors are here, glue sticks, and our big scissors, these are very sharp, so please be careful with them. Make sure that they all go back to the right place. You'll notice there's blue tape on lots of things. Blue tape, I don't put them on these, but there's blue tape on just about all the other tools in this center. And this is to remind you that if this is out on a table and somebody's been using it, I know that blue is the color of the Collage Center. Blue is the color. Do you see how it is around the Collage Center? Everything is labeled in blue at the Collage Center. I don't put it on the glue sticks because eventually glue sticks wear out and get used up, so we throw them away. I'd rather not waste the tape on that. But you will find them on the scissors and on the stamps as well. You'll find that blue tape. That's our signal. It goes back to the Collage Center. Please make sure you're using scraps. The scraps are just as good as a big piece of paper. We have them sorted usually by color, where things that are red, orange, yellow, green, if you see something in the wrong place, you can move it. Green, blue, and purples are in here too. And then black, white, brown are all in the bottom drawer there. And this is where our scraps of paper are. But if you do need a bigger piece, there are some larger pieces of construction paper here, along with magazines. I'm gonna clean this up as I go because there was a class that didn't quite get things put in the right places. We've got magazines. Yes, you can cut these. You can find a piece of map. Maybe this would be a cool background. Use it in a work of art. Cut these little guys up. It's okay. There's also magazines, lots and lots of different pictures of things. You can also cut these up and use them in your collage. There's some scrapbook paper and other scraps. The most important thing in the center is to make sure you leave it better than the way you found it. Everything has a home and everything should be put back nicely. Collages are pretty easy. The most important thing, finding paper, shapes, colors, textures, cut your shapes in many ways, arrange them on a background, and rearrange them until you're happy, then glue them into place. All right, easy peasy. Make sure your collages are making sense. Here is my funny little picture of pizza. You would never cut a piece of pizza like this, so don't cut your paper that way. If you need a triangle, look, cut a corner. There's a triangle right there. You got 4 of them. Why cut all the way into the middle of a piece of paper when you could just cut right at the edge and then somebody else can use all the rest of that paper? Think useful, not wasteful. Make sure you're cutting carefully, using the supplies nicely. The Collage Center is going to be here for you. Another important thing for you to know is that garbage happens when you are making a collage. We have tidy tubs. There's that blue tape again. Use a tidy tub. Bring one to your table if you are making a mess. That way you have less to clean up at the end. There are Post-it notes. You can use a couple of them. Try to save some for other people. And then there's also some art tape, and we can talk about how that's used another time. So now you know where things are in the Collage Center. I hope you have fun creating art with collage. Again, collage is gluing and sticking and cutting, and that is a fun way to make your art. Get started.